What's up, guys, and welcome to this section of this video. So on our previous video, talked about how you can be able to create this PayPal account for yourself or for your business. So in case you want to know how you can be able to create it, just click the link above this video. So this is the account that we created, and I just deposited some money into this account for you to be able to see that this account can actually receive money. So if you scroll down, you are going to be seeing my recent transaction, and the reason why you are seeing zero balance, I just deposit I think is 0.20 cents and the 0.10 cents. So it can't actually reflect on my balance because the paper already took that as their charges. So now I'm going to be showing you on how you can be able to be linking your card and your virtual card. So I think you see my recent transaction there. So now for you to be able to link your card, which is your virtual account, and your virtual your virtual card, which is USD card, you need to come to this platform. This platform is going to be giving us free virtual card and virtual accounts. This platform is called Gray.co. So once you come to Gray.co, make sure that you have an account with them. If you are new to their platform, create an account with them. I've been using this platform for some time now, and it's very good in terms of withdrawing your money from PayPal and also using their platform, their card, to send funds using your PayPal. So just come on their platform. You can just come to your Google and search for Gray. Then you click on the first link, and it's going to be redirected to a page where you need to create an account. So you just need to follow this process for you to be able to create your account. Make sure that your account is verified, and once your account is verified, you can be able to request for your card and also request for their virtual dollar card and other for their virtual dollar account number and other account number you can be able to be using on their platform. So I'm not going to be doing that in this platform because I already have an account with them. So I will just quickly, let me say, sign into my account. So let me sign into my account now, and I'm going to be showing you some like, let me see how it's going to look like once you have an account with them. All right, so I've quickly signed into my account. You can see on my dollar account, I have like $15 there. You can see my Naira account. This side is going to be showing your currency. Let me see your region. Okay, so let me just quickly show you my recent transaction. So this is my recent transaction, and I'll be using this dollar account for a while now. So let me show you. So come to your accounts. In case you are new to this platform and you don't have an account with them. So once you come to this account section, you are going to be selecting the account type. So we are on let me say USD dollar account. So you can see that my account details is at the bottom, and if you look at my recent transaction, and you can also see Zander media. So which means that I've been transferring money from my PayPal to my to this my US virtual account. And you can see Zander media, you can see PayPal. So PayPal have been sending money from my accounts to this account, and what I'm just going to do is I'm just easily going to convert this dollar to Naira and send it to my local bank account. So and once you have done creating your account, you just need to come to this generate. So you'll be seeing an option to generate your, let me say, your virtual card and your virtual account. So we also generate your virtual account, and the next step you need to do, you need to come to this card section. Come to card section, and you just found I think creating the account, the card cost $1. So make sure you fund your account, create your card, it's going to cost $1. And if you look at this down now, your my recent transaction, you're going to see to be seeing the transaction that I did, which is $0.10, and which is $10, or it's not $10, 0.10 cents and the 0.20 cents. So I just transferred from that card because of I link that card is already linked to my PayPal account. So you have done creating an account with them. Make sure that you set up all these. First, make sure that you create a virtual dollar account. That's the first step. The second one, make sure that you activate your card. Activating this card is just only to like it's going to cost you only $1. So it's going to be costing you only $1. Make sure that you have some funds. Just have like $1 funds in the card. and you are good to go. Follow this step and just follow the procedure. Submit your necessary information, and your account will be generated for you. If you are done verifying your accounts, take notes. Once you are done verifying your gray account, then you can be able to proceed on generating your virtual bank accounts and your virtual dollar card. So once you have all this information, because you are going to be needing this dollar card and the virtual card for the next video to work. So once you have all this information done, you can now proceed on linking this virtual card and your dollar card. So now this is all for this video. If you find this video useful, please do well, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So kindly click the link above this video now or check the description for the next videos.